guys want a carrot? Ready? Sit. Want carrot? Roxy. Sit. Get the carrot. Teddy, sit. Here, Bandit, I'll give you that one. That one's thin. You don't like the hard ones. Sit. I love those carrots. Those are good carrots. Bridget's still eating hers. Let's get some more carrots. Ready? Sit. 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 Roxy, sit. Get those are good carrots. Everybody loves them carrots. The good carrot. Sit. It's a good carrot. Sit. Bandit, you all done? Here you go, buddy. Sit. Teddy. Roxy. Good job. They love them carrots. Okay, how about one more each, okay? Sit. Lizzie. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Go get it. Go get it. Roxy, you still got a piece over there. Better clean up all these little bits I just mopped. You buttheads. Emma, you want a carrot? You want a carrot? Like, no way. It's not meat, you crazy lady. Huh? Here, Teddy. Sit. Good boy. Yay! Oh, we can't forget Lily. She'll fight over these treats, so we put her up. Lily, sit. Lay down. Get it. Yay! Yay! Okay, bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Oh, Harley found one?